सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा नमो नमः.
नमो
Uh,
नमः.
in previous classes, we have seen nine lessons of the book, the first book of Bhandarkar. So now we are entering into the 10th one. Before that, they are presenting some obvious indeclinable words. In throughout the book, those obvious are going to be useful. So we will go through it. Page number. Here it is. Avyayani. So this rest of the part you can practice like a followed by e guru what will happen to guna sandhi etc. You can practice those sandhis. Thereafter directly we will some of the important indeclinable aways they are presenting. The first is ataha, hence. Ataha means hence. Therefore, like that. Atra, here, adya, today, adhuna, now, api, even, iti, so, thus, itham, in this manner, eva, like, as, eva, eva means only, evam, thus, in this way, in this manner, evam, itham, these are the same. Katham, in what manner or how, hmm? Kada, when, किंतु, but अथवा परंतु. कुतः, whence, from where. कुत्र or क्व means where. Cha, cha, cha means and. Chiram, long time. Tatah, thence, from there. Tatra, there. Tatha, in that manner. Tada, then. Punar, again. Pura, formally, at first. Yatah, whence. It is relative. Whenever there is a yatah, then there will be tatah. The yatah, tatah. Yatra, where. Yatha, in which manner. Again, yatha, tatha. Those two always will come together. Yada, similarly, yada means when. Tada, then. Yada, tada. Yatha, tatha. Yatah, tatah. These are some relatives. Okay. So,
There is, excuse me, there is similar meaning of the avayavas like a kada and yada, same thing like yatah and kutah. So is there any particular way we can use this or we can use that or we can use any way, any of them?
yatah, tatah. Whenever you use yatah, that time you have to use tatah.
No, I ask like a yatah and kutah. Like what is the difference between yataha and kutaha? When we should apply kutaha and when we should apply
Mhm.
yataha?
So that's why when you want to make a question, that time you can say kutah. Bhavan kutah agacchati अथवा bhavati kutah agacchati. Then there will be question mark and sentence will be purna. But when you make yatah, you have to say yatah sah agacchati और यतः अहम अद्य कक्षायाम अथवा कक्षाम न आगच्छम न यतः ततः whence then right यतः का अहम किं वाक्यं कर्तुं शक्यते यतो हि यतः हम्म, यतः अद्य अथवा ह्यः पाठः नासीत् यतः ततः it is little the English meaning looks like little bit confusing for me. Can you make any sentence by using whence and then in English? Whence and then. So it relatives means we have to provide some reason for that. Probably it might be like this. Yatah ka. अद्य कक्षायाः अद्य कक्षायाः विरामः अवकाशः यतः तस्य स्वास्थ्यं सम्यक् नास्ति तस्य स्वास्थ्यं सम्यक् नास्ति अतः अद्य कक्षायाः विरामः लाइक दैट वी कैन यूज सो
Like when we learn Rachnanuvad, यतः means जहां से और कुतः means कहाँ से.
यतः can be used to give some reason also. So here let's okay, जहां से यदि अर्थ लेते हैं तो जहां से वो आए हैं उस जगह का नाम है डैश 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 वैसा कुछ बना सकते हैं यतः सः आगतवान् तत्क्षेत्रं काशी क्षेत्रम् इति एवमेव किन्तुं शक्यते. और कौन सा था?
Kutah. Like when I see the same meaning, but yes, here, sorry, here is the prasnartha, so it's not the same meaning.
इन कुतः.
Yeah, when we have to use the question, and when we are using as an answer form, then we can use yatah.
यतः इन कॉमन स्टेटमेंट
Okay.
यूज.
Yeah, got it.
नेक्स्ट वा और वृथा in when. Shvah or shwas is the main root, so it becomes shvah, tomorrow. Sada, always. Sarvatra, everywhere. Sushtu, well. Oh, hey, oh, like that. Hyaha, yesterday. So these were some familiar only. These all the awyays are familiar. We have gone through many times. We'll directly enter into 10th lesson now. Atmanepada terminations. Again, you have memorized Vandate, Vandete, Vandante, Vandase, Vandethe, Vandadve, Vande, Vandavahe, Vandamahe. So it is going to be simple again. So in this 10th lesson, they are introducing only singular of first person, second person, and third person. So third person is Vandate, second person is Vandase, and first person is Vande. Singular forms. Okay. Then some roots they are giving. First conjugational roots. Iksha dhatu. So here also it belongs to first conjugation. So a will be added to the kriya pada. Iksha. Ksha will be purna. Then atmanipadi terminations will be used. I, avahe, amahe, se, is se, ithe, dve, te, ite, ante, like that. So ikshate, ikshete, ikshante, ikshase, ikshete, ikshadve, ikshe, ikshavahe, ikshamahe. Similarly, if we add up upasarga purvak ikshate, there would be gunadesha apekshate. This is how the Kriya Pada will be formed. Then it will go like apekshate, apekshyate, apekshante, apekshase, apekshethe, apekshadve, apekshe, apekshavahe, apekshamahe. Similarly, pra upasarga purvak ikshate dhatu to see. प्रेक्षते प्रेक्ष्येते प्रेक्षन्ते प्रेक्षसे प्रेक्ष्येथे प्रेक्षध्वे प्रेक्षे प्रेक्षावहे प्रेक्षामहे. Okay. Then next is pari upasarga purvaka ikshate dhatu e plus e gunadish will happen. Dirghadesha will happen and it will become parikshate, to examine. So parikshate, parikshete, parikshante, parikshase, parikshethe, parikshadve, parikshe, parikshavahe, parikshamahe. Next is kampa dhatu. कंपते, कंपेते, कंपन्ते, कंपसे, कंपेथे, कंपध्वे, कंपे, कंपावहे, कंपामहे. Next is kasha dhatu. We can use pra upasarga along with that. It can be kashate, kashete, kashante or prakashate, prakashete, prakashante, prakashase, prakashethe, prakashadve, prakashe, prakashavahe, prakashamahe. Next is bhasha dhatu, to speak. So either you can use vadati or bhashate also. Any of these, whatever you know, you can use bhashate, bhashete, bhashante, bhashase, bhashethe, bhashadve, bhashe, bhashavahe, bhashamahe. Next is muda dhatu. It changes into moda, to rejoice. So modate, modete, modante, modase, modethe, modadve, mode, modavahe, modamahe. Next is yat dhatu, to strive. Yatate, prayatate, right? Prayatna shabda is formed through this kriya pada only. So yatate, yatete, yatante, yatase, yatethe, yatadve, yate, yatavahe, yatamahe. Next, rabhate is the dhatu. Arambha shabda is made up of this root. Rabhate, rabhete, rabhante, rabhase, rabhethe, rabhadve, rabhe, rabhavahe, rabhamahe. Even a upasarga can be added with that and it will go like arabhate, arabhete, arabhante, arabhase, arabhethe, arabhadve, arabhe, arabhavahe, arabhamahe. Next is ramadhatu. It goes like ramate, ramete, ramante, ramase, ramethe, ramadve, rame, ramavahe, ramamahe. Now next dhatus you can do. Rucha changes into rochate. Rochate. Who will say next one? Rochatika forms.
रोचते, रोचेते, रोचन्ते, रोचसे, रोचेथे, सॉरी रोचेथे, रोचद्वे, रोचे, रोचावहे, रोचामहे.
Similarly, rochate means to please, to be like. Labhate, to get. Labhate.
लभते, लभेते, लभन्ते, लभसे, लभेथे, लभद्वे, लभे, लभावहे, लभामहे.
नेक्स्ट वंद धातु. वंदते. मीराजी.
वंदते, वंदेते, वंदन्ते, वंदसे, वंदेथे, वंदध्वे, वंदे, वंदा वहे, वंदामहे.
Next is vrit dhatu. It changes into vartate. Vrita vartate.
वर्तते, वर्तेते, वर्तन्ते, वर्तसे, वर्तेथे, वर्तेथे वर्धध्वे वर्धध्वे राइट
वर्तत वर्तद
वर्तध्वे सॉरी वर्तसे वर्तेथे वर्तध्वे वर्ते वर्तावहे वर्तामहे
to be. So interchangeably, either you can say asti or bhavati. You can directly say vartate. Sah tatra vartate. Sah tatra vidyate. Sah tatra bhavati. Next, vruddha, it becomes vardhate, to increase.
वर्धते वर्धेते वर्धन्ते वर्धसे वर्धेसे वर्धेथे वर्धद्वे वर्धे वर्धावहे वर्धामहे
Hmm. Vepate, to tremble, to quake.
वेपते वेपेते वेपन्ते वेपसे वेपेथे वेपध्वे वेपा
Hmm.
नो
Vepe,
वे वेपे वेपावहे वेपामहे
hmm. Ashamsate, to desire, to hope.
आशं आशंसते आशंसेते आशंसन्ते आशंसे आशं आशंसे आश how will that become the ethe form?
Say,
Say that again, sir.
आशंससे आशंसेथे आशंसध्वे.
आशंससे
Hmm.
आशंसेथे आशंसध्वे. So an additional sa comes. Ashamse ash. How does it become vahe? Ashamse ashamsa ashamsamahe.
आशंसावहे आशंसामहे. Done. To hope, आशंससे. शंकते, to suspect.
शंकते शंकेते शंकन्ते शंकसे शंकेथे शंकद्वे शंके शंकावहे शंकामहे
शिक्षते
शिक्षते शिक्षेते शिक्षन्ते शिक्षसे शिक्षेथे शिक्षध्वे शिक्षे शिक्षावहे शिक्षामहे
So pathati शिक्षते means the same. Shubha shobhate, to be splendid, to become, to behave. Shobhate.
शोभते शोभेते शोभन्ते शोभसे शोभेथे शोभध्वे शोभे शोभावहे शोभामहे
Shlaghate, to praise, to extol, to panegyrize. How to pronounce that? Panegyrize, right? Panegyrize.
I've never heard of that word before.
Yeah, to praise is famous. Praise or extol.
Yeah.
Varnayati, shlaghate. Shlaghate.
श्लाघते श्लाघेते श्लाघन्ते श्लाघसे श्लाघेथे श्लाघद्वे श्लाघे श्लाघावहे श्लाघामहे
सहते, to endure.
सहते सहेते सहन्ते सहसे सहेथे सहध्वे सहे सहा सहावहे सहामहे
सेवते, to serve.
सेवते सेवेते सेवन्ते सेवसे सेवेथे सेवध्वे सेवे सेवावहे सेवामहे
Now fourth conjugational roots. Jana is the main root. It changes into ja. Fourth conjugational ya vikarana will be added to that. It will become jaya. Then te ite ante pratyas will be added. It will go jayate, to be produced, to result. Jayate. Forms jayate.
is it, I have a question. In the fourth conjugation, ya is also added just like in 10th conjugation?
In 10th conjugation, there is a aya vikarana.
Okay.
Jayate. So this is only ya will be added. So ja, ya, then te ite ante pratyay. Jayate, jayete, jayante.
Jayan.
Yes.
Jayase, jayethe, jayadhve, jaye, jayavahe, jayamahe. Sorry, Pratana ji, I think it was your turn.
No, you're good. You're good. I did the last one. I think it was Nandini ji's turn.
Oh,
No worries.
No worry.
Yudhyate, to fight. Now Nandini ji can do.
Nandini, go ahead.
Okay. Yudyate, yudyete, yudyante, yudyase, yudyethe, yudyadve, yuddhe, yudyavahe, yudyamahe.
Done. Now sixth conjugational forms. So a vikarana will be added along with kriya pada, and there will not be any other sandhis. Like in first conjugation, you will see the kriya pada ukara will change into ukara, ikara will change into ekara. This kind of rules will not be applied here. So though first conjugational and sixth conjugational have same vikarana, but there are some difference in kriya padas. So mru, it changes into mriya, and a will be added to mriya. Mriyate, to die.
Mriyate, mriyete, mriyante, mriyase, mriyethe, mriyadve, mriye, mriyavahe, mriyamahe.
Next, with dhatu, it changes into vindate. Vindate, to obtain.
vindate, vindete, vindante, vindase, vindethe, vindadhve, vinde, vindavahe, vindamahe.
Now 10th conjugational roots, Atmanipadi roots. Actually 10th conjugational root, you will see two forms. Some of them will be, those 10th conjugational roots will be declining both Parasmapada also, Atmanipada also. So avadhirayati is also fine. Athva avadhirayate is also okay.
So all, you mean all those
Many
10 ganas, kriyapad are ubhaypadi?
Ubhaypadi only, 10 conjugational be Ubhaypadi. Some of them there are some exception also, but most of the Kriyapadas will be Ubhaypadi. So Avadhira Yate, we will practice right now Atmanepada. Even, continue. Avadhira Yate.
Avadhirayate, avadhirayete, avadhirayante, avadhirayase, avadhirayethe, avadhirayadve, avadhire, avadhiravahe, avadhiramahe.
Avadhiraye, avadhirayavahe, avadhirayamahe.
Oh, sorry.
Mridayate, to seek.
Mrigayate, mrigayete, mrigayante, mrigayase, mrigayethe, mrigayadve, mrigaye, mrigayavahe, mrigayamahe.
सुद उपसर्ग नि उपसर्ग पूर्वक सूद धातु निषूदयते, टू डिस्ट्रॉय. तो निषूदयते,
निषूदयते, निषूदयेते, निषूदयन्ते, निषूदयसे, निषूदयेथे, निषूयदध्वे, निषूये, निषूयावहे, निषूयामहे.
Again, second person it will go. Nishudayase, nishudayethe, nishudayadve, nishudaye, nishudaya, Nishudavahe, sorry, Nishudavahe.
Oh, Nishuda, Nishuda,
Shudayavahe.
Nishudaya,
Nishudayavahe.
Nishudayamahe. Okay. Now the rule was explained. Cha or va is used after each of the parts of speech joined together or once only, that is after them all. So for example, you can use chakara after each word, Harishcha, Govindascha, or you can directly add once only, Harir Govindascha Jalpatah. So after each word, chakara will be added, or directly you can use after the words only once. Okay. This rule, where was this sign? The first conjugation. The conjugational peculiarities formally mentioned should be remembered in conjugating these roots. So whatever was mentioned in first lesson, that same rule will be applied here also. Substantives. Substantives means nouns or what? Nouns, na? Adhyayanam, neuter gender, to study. Archanam, to worship. Sorry, not, it is not a kriya pada here, it is noun. So Archanam, worship. Asankheyah, Asankheya, Asankheyam, it is adjective, innumerable. Aganitam, Asankheyam, like that. Asatyam, a lie, a falsehood. Astram, a miraculous weapon, चमत्कारिक अस्त्र है ना, जो मंत्रों तंत्रों से जिसका आवाहन किया जाता है. आध्यात्मिक, आध्यात्मिका और आध्यात्मिकम, एडजेक्टिव, स्पिरिचुअल. उद्गम, कमिंग टू बर्थ, अपीयरेंस. उद्गम मीन्स अपीयरेंस. उद्यम, उद्यम, एक्सर्शन, इंडस्ट्री. कटह, a mat, masculine, so katah. Kleshah, even kleshah, masculine, so kleshah, pain, distress. Dandah, dandah means punishment. Duracharah, bad conduct. Dhyanam, neuter gender, contemplation. Narayanah, name of a man. Nashah, ruin or loss. Nyayah, school of philosophy. Paritokshikam, a reward. Prabalaha, prabala, prabalam, adjective, so strong. Prayah, prayas is the adjective. Sakara will change into visarga. Prayah, generally. Bimbam, disc. Disc, bimbam. Bhaktah, devotee. Bhayam, fear. Manikarah, jeweler. Masah, month. Labah, acquisition or obtaining. Vatah, wind. Vishwamitrah, name of a sage. Shasanam, an order. Shukla Pakshah, bright half of a month. Sadacharah, a good conduct. Snehah, affection, friendship. Swasthyam, tranquility or peace. Mriya dhatu, na, there was some rule here. So let's read what is that. Root of the sixth conjugation ending in short rule, substitute for the re. Re, which with the following of the conjugational sign becomes riya. So becomes mriyate, dru becomes driyate, pru becomes priyate. That was, this is how they have introduced. Then here mriga, here they are introducing some rule again. for 10th conjugational. The vowel does not take the guna substitute in this instance. The root is atmanepadi only. Okay, so basically mrigayate, so there are some exceptions. Na? So this is the exception. Mrigayati will not find mrigayate only. So it goes in atmanepada only. Hmm? Hmm. Okay, so here in this case, you have to write some sentences. These sentences we will do in next class. Before that, if you have any doubts, you can ask, or till that, we will see some.
Like kru dhatu kriyate is also 6 ganas.
Kru karoti.
What is kriyate?
Kriyate is karoti dhatu. Kriyate is a karmani form.
Okay.
Kru will become kri. Then ya pratyay will be added. Okay. So what I was supposed to show you. Shabda parichay, right? Atmanepada forms I will introduce you. You can go with. So these are pratyay. Ste ite ante, se ite dhve, e, avahe, amahe. So you can take any kriya pada. If it is first conjugational, you can add a along with them. If it is fourth conjugational, you can add ya vikarana along with them. Like a jana, it changes into ja, and jayate, yudhyate, dayate, vidyate, buddhyate, manyate, liyate, vidyate. If it is sixth conjugational, there will be some changes, like mru will change into mriya, and mriyate, vindate, dishate, munchati, munchate, sinchate, yachate, kshamate, vartate. If it is 10th conjugational, you can say kshalayate, tarjayate, pidayate, swadayate, lokayate, rachayate, mandayate, dharayate. Right? So here the red, whatever is in red, these pratyas are added to kriya pada. Rest of the part you can memorize now. You can practice this one. Now next one also I will introduce. Vandate, sevate, these meanings you know. Just now we gone through it.
Like, excuse me.
Huh.
I had one question. Like a munchate, sinchate, then why yachate? What sandhi is there?
Where
Why it's like a mu come between mu and cha and not between ya and cha.
Okay, now there are some sutras for that. When we will learn Bhadi Prasadana or the.
No, had we learned? I
No,
don't remember. That's why.
this book doesn't tell how it becomes, how some changes are happening in Kriya Pada. This book will not let you know. The Laghu Siddhanta will tell you the rules regarding all the conjugational roots. So like whenever you go through Tudadi Prakarana, they will introduce how Mucha changes into Munchati, Sicha changes into Munchati. Okay. Next is Janajayate, Divadiganiya forms. So you can go through this also. The Lot Lakaranta forms are given Tam, Itam, Antam, Swa, Itham, Dhvam, and Ai, Avahai, Amahai. So here also you can practice like Vandatam, Vandetam, Vandantam, Vandaswa, Vandetham, Vandadhvam, Vandai, Vandavahai, Vandamahai. So like this. Okay. Similarly, next dhatu you pick up jayate, jayatam, jayatam, jayantam, jayasva, jayetham, jayadvam, jayai, jayavahai, jayamahai, like that. So
Lot lakar is for agya, right?
Ajnartha. So you can keep practicing this one also. Every day you practice. So five lakara should be perfect of Atmanipada. Okay. Vandatam, vandetam, vandantam, vandasva, vandetham, vandadvam, vandai, vandavahi, vandamahi. This is lang lakara of Atmanipada. So ta itam anta thaha itam dvam I avahi amahi. So you can practice avandata, avandetam, avandanta, avandathaha, avandetham, avandadvam, avande, avandavahi, avandamahi. Lang lakar you can practice. Then there should be Vidiving lakar also. Ita, iyatam, iran, ithaha, iyatham, idhvam, iya, ivahi, imahi. These are pratyas. The forms will go like vandeta, vandeyatam, vanderan, vandethaha, vandeyatham, vandedhvam, vandeya, vandevahi, vandemahi. Similarly, you can practice anyone. Seveta, seveyatam, severan, sevethaha, seveyatham, sevedhvam, seveya, sevevahi, sevemahi. And last one is one.
Alaka vidhiling lakar and lot lakar. What is the difference between?
Almost same. And Vidiling Lakar is considered little bit polite way. And Lot Lakar is considered as like Ajnartha to order. So both way, actually both.
Can we say one is request and one is agnya?
So in nowadays they consider this kind of bheda. Actually, that is not correct. But if people are using, so we can also use. Sete, sete, syante, sese, sethe, sedve, se, seavahe, syamahe. So se will change into sh and it will become in some cases, in some cases syate will change into shate, like vandishyate, vandishyate, vandishyante, vandishyase, vandishyathe, vandishyadve, vandishya, vandishavahe, vandishyamahe. And in sevishyate, 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 sevishyante, sevishyase, sevishyate, sevishyadve, sevishye, sevishavahe, sevishamahe. So all these forms you can take the picture or the screenshot and you can practice now. This belongs to Lat Lakara, Lot Lakara, Lang Lakara, Vidhiling Lakara, and
Lot lakar.
this much for today is sufficient. We'll do Purnamadaha. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Hari Om. Hari
Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.